For lesson 117, we're going to be finding a whole when a fraction is known. So, the question says 3/8 of the townspeople voted. If 120 of the townspeople voted, how many people live in the town? Well, if we think about this as a diagram, okay, it says 3/8. So we're going to have 8 parts, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 8 parts there. Okay, 3/8 of them voted. So that's the part that voted, and the rest did not vote. Okay, so I have 120 of the townspeople voted, or that's how many voted. So that 3/8 is going to be 120. Okay, I need to know how many are in each part, so I can figure out how many people live in the town. So in this case, I'm going to take 120. I'm going to divide by 3, because I know I have 120 people in this box right here. Okay, and there's 3 parts, so I need to divide it into 3 different parts. Okay, I should get 40. So now I know that there's 40 in each of these boxes. Okay? So I want to know how many people live in the town. Now I can take 40 and multiply it by my 8, because there's 8 parts. If I do 40 times 8, I should get that there's 320 townspeople or people. Okay? So in this case, notice I divided by the top number, then multiplied by the bottom number. So a little different than what we've been doing, but they're giving us different numbers. Okay? Because if you think about, if we put this into an equation, it's 3/8 of the townspeople. So 3/8 times the townspeople is going to equal 120. Okay? So that's why it's a little different than what we've done before. So in this part, it might help to draw that diagram. Okay? So let's look at one more example here. It says 6 is 2/3 of what number? So 6 is means equal 2/3 of what number? I'm going to use x. Okay. So if I have this, I can draw my diagram. Okay. Remember, the parts is the bottom number, so I have 3 parts. 2 of them is going to be 6. So I want to know how many total there are. So I'm going to have to divide by that 6 by 2. I'd get 3. That means there's 3 in each part. So 3 times my bottom number now, 3 times 3, which is going to be 9. So my whole number is 9. So in these problems, if we know what our answer is, and we're looking for what is multiplied with our fraction, we're actually going to divide by the top, multiply by the bottom. And that's where that diagram might come in handy. And so go ahead and try the practice set. See if we can get them all. Make sure you bring any questions you have to class.